Hey girl, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a 90s inspired set. I'm using Kiara Sky Bare Velvet. Here's the number right here. This is one of my favorite nudes. And I will be using all of these colors today by D&D to come to you with a cute 90s inspired set. So first step, I already prepped my nails. I'm not keeping this set on, so instead of me using primer, I used a base coat. So I did buff my nails. I did push back the cuticles, all of that razzle dazzle. I did a quick shape on it. And once I lay down the acrylic, of course, I will shape it again. But I'm gonna lay down my nude on all four of my nails, and I'll be right back. Hey girl, so now I'm doing the voiceover. Throughout the video, I'm going to switch from voiceover to real time just to walk you through each step. So currently right now, as you see, I'm applying the beads. I did the 3 bead method, closer to the cuticle. If you need some more add beads, definitely do not be scared. It was a little hard to record because the camera was right in front of me, blocking my vision, but I made it work. And yeah, right now I'm just applying the beads. I did not make these nails thick because this is not a set that I'm keeping on. So, don't want to waste product. But get into this new. And the files that I use 2 different types of files. I use Kiara Sky. And then I also have these other files from Amazon. I'm going to link everything in the description. I'm going to link the files I use, the monomer I use, this color, all of the colors that I will be using today are for my nail art. And I'm going to link the tips that I use as well, also from Amazon. So click the link in my description. It should be about several links in there. And my email will also be in there too. If you would like to work with me with anything, send me any products to test out. I'm always down for it. And my social medias are down below as well. BRB. Okay, so now I am shaping my nails to my desired shapes that I want. And honestly, it's not too much to say. You just shape until you get the shape that you want. I will be releasing a video soon about how I get the shapes and lengths and all of that razzle dazzle. But it's not too much to say. I'm just shaping my nails. But y'all, let me tell y'all about this set, child. I wasn't really sure if I was going to do it. I kind of like it, kind of don't. It's definitely different for me. I do not do nail art like this. But stay tuned. I think you're going to love it at the end. So I took out my white and my black. And I did not take a swatch of my colors that I'm using for the design because for this design, it's going to look better if I use the actual brush that the polish comes in instead of using one of my art brushes. But I have out my art brush, fine line art brushes. These also have dotting tools at the tips. And I have another dotting brush. And then on the side, I have a jar of, what is this called? Acetone. And I put cotton pads in here because it just helps cleans off the brushes. Okay, girls, so let's get into it. Right here, I am just putting down the base for each finger. This design is fairly simple. You just want to layer color upon color upon color. You roughly probably want to have anywhere between 4 to 5 colors on each nail, so that way that it can all be fun and cute and real colorful. Yeah, so as you see, I'm just layering the colors right now. Now, I've never done this set before, so I kind of had to just wing it. But I feel like once you get more comfortable with designs and practicing and getting yourself out of your comfort zone, you'll be able to look at a set and be able to identify what they did to get to that point. So you'll be able to break it down in your mind, step by step by step by step. So like for me, I knew that it was a new base. So what I do, I lay down my nude, I shaped it, I got my colors ready. Now I took down my colors. I made sure that I did not, separate my polish out of its containers because obviously I needed to use the brush. I laid it down, I cured it, and now I know that I need to go with my white and my black gel. So right here, that's what I am finishing up. But okay, so now I'm moving on and just stacking the colors and layering them. Putting in different positions and not even finishing like the full complete brush stroke, so it can have that incomplete texturized look, which is really like what will tie it all together. Okay, so this is where my base is at right now. It's very cluttered. It has a lot going on, but we're going to tie it all in with the nail art, which will be in black and white. And I'll be right back. Actually, and you know I said I wouldn't go far up, but I definitely did. I definitely went high, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, here I go. I'm just doing my quick lines and my dots. I think I only show doing one finger because it's pretty straightforward. But yes, look at her go. Look at her go. Okay, this is the final set. Put some cuticle oil on. What do you think? What do you think? I have to say, I kind of like it. I wanted to do this type of set for a while now. I like it. I think if I was to do it again, I would not bring the colors up this high. Or not even that. I more so wouldn't do so much lines. I feel like with this type of set, less is more and more is too much. So next time around, if I ever do this set again on myself or a client, I would just do less dots and less line work. Just something to like piece it together but not go ham. Like, but it's definitely cute. I could definitely see some girlies wearing this with some cute big rings next to a really cute purse. She's cute though. I like her. Well, that's it, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.